Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to do some hors d'oeuvres, hors d'oeuvres, finger food, party food on the smoker. We've got some little Smokys here. We've got some fully cooked shrimp. We've got some Andoullie sausage, and we've got 3 pounds of bacon. And we're pretty much going to wrap everything in bacon. It's going to be awesome. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is get some bacon out of the package. We're going to cut it into thirds, and because you don't need a lot of bacon to wrap the Smokys. Cut the strips into thirds, wrap the Smokys, and we'll set them aside. So we'll just get some, well, let's take about that much out here. Get on the cutting board. Alright, we've got bacon in thirds. I'll just take a little Smoky, wrap her on up. Perfect. Set them aside. Grab yourself some toothpicks. That's how you're going to hold the bacon together. You don't need them, but it helps. So I'm going to grab some toothpicks real quick, and we'll keep wrapping. Alright, so now that we got some toothpicks, take another Smoky. Roll your bacon around it. Little toothpick. Just like that. Super easy. Super simple to do. And these are fantastic. You got a Super Bowl party you got going on, birthday party, graduation party, any party. You want to get some of these there, especially right off the smoker. There's nothing better than that smoky flavor on these things. So we're going to get the rest of these wrapped up, and we're going to move on to the shrimp and sausage. And if you'll notice, I got my little quality control specialist over here, so if anything hits the ground, it's not going to end up back on the smoker. Right, Dahlia? Alright, now that we've got them all wrapped up in bacon, we're going to set them aside, start on our shrimp. Alright, now with our shrimp, we're just going to take the tails off. You don't want any shells on these fully cooked shrimp. Take the tails off, put them into a bowl over here. Then we're going to dice up our Andoullie sausage, make a sandwich with the shrimp and the sausage in the middle, and then we'll wrap them in bacon. So let's get to that. Alright, we're just going to start building these things. Little shrimp, little sausage, little shrimp, bacon, wrap that sucker around there, toothpick, perfect, put them aside. Rinse and repeat. Shrimp, sausage, shrimp, bacon. Stretch it out if you need to a little bit. Get all the way around. Toothpick. Perfect. We'll get the rest of these wrapped up, then we'll get our smoker going. Alright, so as you can see, this is kind of turning into a nighttime cook. That's alright. It's the colder season. It's going to get darker sooner. We're going to get my Weber chimney going here with some Frontier lump charcoal. Once we get that in the firebox, we're going to be cooking with some hickory wood. So let's get this started. Alright, get our fire starter cube going. Alright, we'll throw that on top. Let those coals get nice and glowing red hot. So now we dumped our coals in the firebox. I threw some hickory sticks on there. I'm going to let those catch. Then we're going to shut this lid. And we're going to try to cook around 250, 275. Shrimp cooks faster than anything else. We want that bacon to be done on the outside. Then you know everything's done, ready to go. So this looks like it's caught pretty good. We're going to close this up. Shut our door over here. We've got the damper open halfway. I'm going to open the smokestack all the way. Alright, so to season the shrimp, I'm going to use a little bit of garlic powder. We are seasoning them right on the smoker. Just a little bit. You gotta get too crazy with it. You don't want to cover the whole thing, then all you'll taste is garlic, right? And we're gonna go back and hit it with a little bit of Cajun seasonings. A little bit of that. And for our little bacon wrapped Smokys, we're gonna hit them with some Bird rub. Stuff's really good. I like this stuff. There we go. Now you can season these before you stick them on the smoker. I didn't really have the space, so I'm just hitting them while they're on the smoker, which is totally fine. Don't need a lot. The little Smokys are pre-cooked, so they're pretty seasoned already. There you have it. We'll close our lid back up and let them keep cooking. So this is what I like doing in my backyard, especially during the colder seasons. Nothing like having a nice fire and some good food on the smoker to enjoy your night. Alright, these things are almost done. I want the bacon to crisp up a little bit, so I'm going to bring the temperature up somewhere around 350 degrees for maybe 15-20 minutes. So I've added another couple splits of hickory to the firebox. We're going to get the temperature up, let them go for a little longer. They should be ready to eat. The inside's looking real good. The shrimp's done. These are obviously done. Now this stuff is pre-cooked. The shrimp, the Andoullie, and the little Smokys are all pre-cooked. The bacon is what we were after. It's got a nice char to it. It's not rubbery. It's got a good texture. And without further ado, let's try one of these. Here we go. That Yardbird is really good on this bacon. Shrimp is cooked, really good texture with that bacon and Andoullie. You can really taste the garlic in here. These are excellent. You gotta try these out. Any party. Sure to satisfy the whole crowd. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next cook.